stop what you are doing right now. Because what I am about to share with you in the next few minutes could be the most important thing you hear this entire week, especially if you are over 60. You may be snacking every single day, believing you are making safe, even healthy choices. A handful of crackers, a small bowl of nuts, maybe some cheese or a protein bar from the health food store. But here is what your doctor may not have told you yet. 3 of the most common snacks that older adults eat every afternoon could be quietly working against your kidneys, right now at this very moment, without a single obvious warning sign. And on the other side, there are 3 specific snacks that researchers have found may actually support kidney repair, reduce inflammation, and help slow the decline that so many people over 60 silently experience. Stay with me until the very end, because the number 1 snack that repairs your kidneys is one that almost no one expects. And the number 1 snack that destroys them, it is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Here is the number that stopped me cold when I first read that research. Adults over 60 who regularly consumed high phosphorus, high sodium processed snacks had a 47% faster rate of kidney function decline compared to those who chose low inflammatory whole food snacks. 47%. That is not a small number. That is nearly half the speed of decline, simply from what people were eating between meals. And the encouraging news, the news I want you to hold on to, is that this is not about medication. It is not about expensive supplements or complicated procedures. It is about understanding which foods are working with your kidneys and which ones are silently fighting against them. Now, before we get into the full list, I need to warn you about something important. The number 1 snack that most damages kidney function in people over 60 is one that is marketed as healthy. It is sold in health food stores. It is recommended by well-meaning friends. And almost every older adult I have seen in my clinic has been eating it regularly. I will reveal exactly what it is at the end of this video. But I promise you, once you know, you will never look at your afternoon snack the same way again. Do not skip ahead. The context matters. You need to understand why before you understand what. Before we dive in, I want to ask you something. How old are you right now? And have you been told by your doctor that your kidneys need attention? Or that your creatinine is rising? Leave your answer in the comments below. It helps me understand who I am speaking to, and it may help others in this community realize they are not alone. Now let us get into the science. White heavy check mark, kidney repairing snack number 3. Plain air-popped popcorn. Let us start with something that will surprise most people. Plain, air-popped popcorn, no butter, no salt, no cheese flavoring, is one of the most kidney-friendly snacks available to people over 60. Here is the science behind why. Your kidneys must process everything you consume. One of the biggest burdens on aging kidneys is sodium. When you eat high-sodium snacks, your kidneys must work overtime to filter excess salt from the blood and maintain fluid balance. Over time, this increases pressure inside the tiny filtration units of the kidney, called nephrons, and wears them down faster. Think of your nephrons like the threads on a screw. When they are new, they grip tightly and work efficiently. But if you strip them with too much force, too much sodium, too much phosphorus, too much acid load, they start to lose their grip. And once those threads are damaged, they do not grow back easily. Plain popcorn contains almost no sodium in its natural form. It is also low in potassium and phosphorus, the 2 minerals that weak kidneys struggle most to filter. And because it is a whole grain, it provides fiber that supports gut health, which in turn reduces the toxic load your kidneys must process. A 2019 study from Stanford University's Nutrition Research Division found that adults with early-stage chronic kidney disease who included low-sodium whole grain snacks in their diet showed measurably better kidney filtration scores after 6 months compared to those eating processed snack foods. I had a patient named Gerald. He was 67, a retired schoolteacher. His creatinine had been creeping up for 2 years. He was a snacker, chips in the afternoon, crackers with cheese in the evening. When I asked him to simply swap those snacks for plain air-popped popcorn 3 times a week, and we tracked him over 4 months, his urinary markers improved. Not dramatically, but measurably. Practical tip: pop it at home with a stovetop or air popper. Do not buy the prepackaged microwave bags. Those are loaded with sodium, artificial butter flavoring, and preservatives that work against everything we are trying to protect. Synergy tip: sprinkle a small amount of turmeric on your popcorn. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown in multiple studies to support a healthy inflammatory response in kidney tissue. White heavy check mark kidney repairing snack number 2, egg whites, hard-boiled or scrambled. This one is critical for people over 60, and it is almost always overlooked. As we age, the kidneys become more sensitive to the type of protein we consume. Not all proteins are equal in how they behave inside the body. Animal proteins from red meat and full dairy products produce higher levels of acidic waste products that the kidneys must neutralize and eliminate. This acidic load accelerates nephron damage over time. But egg whites are different. Egg whites provide what nutritionists call high biological value protein, meaning the body can use almost all of it efficiently with minimal waste production. Less waste means less filtration burden. Less filtration burden means slower wear on already stressed kidneys. A clinical trial published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that patients with moderate kidney disease who shifted their primary protein source toward egg white-based meals showed significantly less proteinuria, that is, protein leaking into the urine, which is a hallmark of kidney damage, compared to those consuming equivalent amounts of meat-based protein. Think of it this way. If your kidneys are like a water filtration system and the protein you eat is like the water running through it, egg white is clean, filtered water. Red meat is muddy water. One cleans through easily. The other clogs the filter a little more each time. I had a 71-year-old patient named Dorothy. She had stage 2 chronic kidney disease and was also managing blood pressure. She loved her afternoon cheese and crackers. We replaced that snack with 2 hard-boiled egg whites and a small rice cake. Within 3 months, her albumin to creatinine ratio, a key measure of kidney stress, had improved noticeably. Practical tip: hard-boil a batch of eggs at the start of the week. Peel them, discard the yolk if your doctor has advised limiting cholesterol, and keep the whites in a small container in the refrigerator. Quick, easy, and surprisingly filling. Synergy tip: pair your egg whites with a small portion of cucumber slices. Cucumber has a natural diuretic effect and is extremely low in potassium and phosphorus, making it one of the safest snack companions for kidney health. White heavy check mark kidney repairing snack number 1. White rice cakes with a thin spread of unsalted almond butter. Now we have arrived at the number 1 kidney repairing snack. And I know it sounds almost too simple, but simplicity is the point. Here is why this combination is so powerful for aging kidneys. White rice cakes are one of the very few snack-based foods that are genuinely low in potassium, low in phosphorus, low in sodium, and low in the inflammatory compounds that accelerate kidney deterioration. Most kidney dietitians will tell you that white rice, not brown, is actually safer for people with compromised kidney function because brown rice contains more phosphorus, which weakened kidneys struggle to excrete. Now, you might be thinking, but what about the glycemic index? White rice raises blood sugar faster than brown. That is a real concern. And that is exactly why we pair it with a thin layer of unsalted almond butter. Unsalted almond butter provides healthy monounsaturated fats and a small amount of plant-based protein. This slows the absorption of sugars from the rice cake, preventing blood sugar spikes. And unlike peanut butter, which is higher in phosphorus and often contains added salt, unsalted almond butter is gentler on the kidneys while still providing satiety. Researchers at the University of California, San Francisco conducted a study on snacking patterns in adults with chronic kidney disease. They found that patients who consumed low phosphorus, low potassium, moderate fat snacks experienced significantly fewer episodes of electrolyte imbalance and fewer hospitalizations related to kidney complications over a 12-month period. I remember a patient named Henry. He was 74. He had been eating trail mix every afternoon for years, believing it was healthy. Nuts, dried fruit, chocolate chips. It seemed wholesome, but dried fruit is extremely high in potassium. Many commercial nuts are salted, and that combination was adding more mineral burden to his already stressed kidneys than he realized. When we replaced his afternoon trail mix with 2 white rice cakes and a thin spread of unsalted almond butter, his potassium levels stabilized within 8 weeks. Practical tip: buy plain, unsalted rice cakes and natural unsalted almond butter. Check the label. The ingredient list should say almonds only. Nothing else. No palm oil, no added salt, no sugar. Synergy tip: drink a small glass of room temperature water alongside this snack. Staying consistently hydrated, not overhydrated, helps the kidneys flush gently without being flooded. The goal is pale yellow urine, not clear, not dark. If this information has been helpful so far, I want to ask you to do one simple thing. Click that subscribe button below and share this video with one person over 60 in your life. A parent, a sibling, a neighbor, a friend, who you know is snacking without realizing what some of those foods may be doing to their kidneys. You may genuinely help someone today by sharing this. Now let us talk about the 3 snacks that are quietly working against your kidneys. Starting with number 3. Cross-mark kidney-destroying snack number 3. Processed cheese and crackers. This one is difficult because it feels so innocent. A small plate of crackers. A few slices of processed cheese. Maybe some cream cheese spread. Millions of older adults enjoy this as an afternoon snack. Feels light. Feels manageable. But processed cheese is extraordinarily high in phosphorus. Phosphorus is a mineral that healthy kidneys filter out of the blood efficiently. But when kidney function declines, which happens naturally after 60 and more sharply when disease is present, excess phosphorus builds up. And elevated phosphorus in the blood does not just cause kidney damage. It pulls calcium out of the bones. It hardens blood vessels. It accelerates cardiovascular disease. A 2020 study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that adults with chronic kidney disease who consumed high-phosphorus snacks daily had a 39% higher risk of kidney disease progression compared to those who avoided them. And processed crackers add sodium. Sodium adds fluid retention. Fluid retention raises blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure damages the nephrons further. It becomes a cycle that most people never realize they are trapped inside. The warning signs most people ignore: persistent puffiness in the face in the morning, ankles that are slightly swollen by evening, a subtle feeling of pressure or heaviness in the lower back. These are not just signs of aging. Sometimes they are signs that the kidneys are struggling with too much phosphorus and sodium. Cross-mark kidney-destroying snack number 2. Dark cola drinks with snacks. Many people over 60 enjoy a soda, particularly dark colas, alongside their afternoon snack. It is a familiar ritual, comforting, habitual, but dark colas contain phosphoric acid. This is a form of phosphorus that is absorbed by the body at a rate of nearly 100%, far more efficiently than the phosphorus found in natural foods. And unlike natural food phosphorus, there is no fiber, no digestion delay, no buffering mechanism. It goes directly into the bloodstream and directly to the kidneys for filtering. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University analyzed the dietary habits of over 2,500 adults with declining kidney function. They found that those who consumed 2 or more dark cola drinks per week had significantly accelerated kidney function decline compared to non-cola drinkers, independent of other dietary factors. 2 per week, not 2 per day, 2 per week. I have met patients who drink 1 can of dark cola every afternoon and believe it is a harmless treat. And when I show them this research, the room goes quiet. Practical substitution. Sparkling water with a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime gives you the carbonation ritual without the phosphoric acid burden. And here it is. The number 1 kidney-damaging snack most commonly consumed by health-conscious older adults. Protein bars. I know. It feels counterintuitive. You bought them from a health food store. The label says high protein, natural ingredients, no sugar added. It sounds like exactly what an aging body needs. But here is the problem. Most commercial protein bars and shakes contain extremely high levels of phosphorus, often from phosphate preservatives listed as ingredients like dicalcium phosphate, sodium phosphate, or phosphoric acid. They also frequently contain high amounts of potassium from concentrated fruit, nuts, seeds, and added mineral supplements. And the protein itself, typically whey concentrate or soy isolate, produces a high acid load that aging kidneys must process. A study from the National Kidney Foundation's Research Committee found that adults with stage 2 or stage 3 chronic kidney disease who regularly consumed commercial protein supplements showed accelerated increases in serum creatinine and blood urea nitrogen, 2 key markers of kidney stress. compared to those getting equivalent protein from whole food sources. I treated a 68-year-old former athlete named Robert. He was disciplined, active, careful with his diet. He had 2 protein shakes per day because he had read that older adults need more protein. His creatinine had doubled over 18 months. When we reviewed his diet and removed the protein shakes, replacing them with egg whites and plain rice-based snacks, his numbers stabilized within 3 months. He was not doing something reckless. He was doing something he had been told was healthy. That is the tragedy. And that is exactly why you need to know this today. What to do instead? If your doctor has cleared you for adequate protein intake, focus on whole food sources, egg whites, small portions of fish, plain yogurt without added phosphate. Always read ingredient labels. If you see any form of phosphate in the ingredient list of a snack bar, put it back on the shelf. I want to end with something important. If you have been eating any of the snacks in the warning list, please do not panic. And please do not blame yourself. You were not being careless. You were doing what you believed was right. The information just was not complete. That changes today. You now know that plain air-popped popcorn, egg whites, and white rice cakes with unsalted almond butter are among the safest and most supportive snacks for aging kidneys. You now know that processed cheese and crackers, dark cola drinks, and commercial protein bars are among the biggest hidden threats. And you now understand why, not just what to avoid, but the science behind why these foods behave differently in a body over 60. Here is what I want you to do this week. Open your kitchen cabinet. Look at what is in there. Ask yourself, is this snack high in phosphorus? Is it high in sodium? Is it high in potassium? If the answer is yes, replace it, not overnight, not perfectly, but begin the replacement. Your kidneys filter approximately 200 liters of blood every single day. They work without rest. They do not complain until the damage is significant. And by the time the symptoms become obvious, the window for easy reversal may have passed. But for most people watching this video right now, the window is still open. If you have not had your kidney function checked recently, I want to encourage you to call your doctor this week and ask for a basic metabolic panel. Ask specifically about creatinine, eGFR, your estimated glomerular filtration rate, and blood phosphorus levels. These numbers will tell you exactly where your kidneys stand. Knowledge is not fear. Knowledge is power. And a different snack tomorrow morning is a different future for your kidneys 1 year from now. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be one step smarter than yesterday. That is enough. That is how health is rebuilt, quietly, consistently, one small choice at a time. 3 snacks that may support kidney repair. 1. White rice cakes with a thin layer of unsalted almond butter. 2. Hard-boiled egg whites. 3. Plain air-popped popcorn. 3 snacks that may quietly accelerate kidney damage. 1. Commercial protein bars and protein shakes. 2. Dark cola drinks consumed with meals or snacks. 3. Processed cheese and crackers. If this video helped you understand your body a little better today, subscribe to this channel. We publish new evidence-based content on longevity, kidney health, and senior nutrition every week. And if you are ready to take this seriously, comment the word kidney below. It is a small promise to yourself that says, I am paying attention. I am going to make smarter choices. And I am not going to wait until things get worse to begin. Take care of those kidneys. They are working for you every single day.